This is our first hike in Montana. It's gonna be awesome. I don't remember what the name of it's called. Something about horse breath or horse blood. Something with the name horse. Horse drool. Don't know.
It's drinking horse, baby.
Ah, drinking horse. Drinking horse.
So it is kind of shocking.
How you feeling, Meg?
Like I'm dying.
Rest of the gang, how you feeling?
Doing good.
Pretty good.
All right.
It's beautiful.
Sunny? Cannot be bothered. Must be.
Yeah,
must keep moving.
go.
Like y'all waiting?
I ate curry before this. That was a mistake. Oh no! You look so cute. You know? Here. Let's go.
First reaction, go.
Better than Sydney.
First reaction, go.
Oh, I love it.
First reaction, go.
Better than Sydney.
Yeah!
So there's a big winter storm coming, and we're supposed to get up to 18 inches. We're pretty close to the mountains, so there's a good chance we're gonna get hammered. So we are gonna stay at a brewery and get hammered there instead.
Yeah, and we're here with Sam and Kelly and their dog Sunny. We're gonna just hunker down for 2 days. We got some Joy-Con controllers for the Nintendo Switch so we can play some Mario Party and some Mario Kart. We're both gonna make a bunch of food and we're just gonna hang out and wait out the storm. Maybe do some TikToks.
All right, let's go get some beers.
Yeah. We're charging our Nintendo Switch. Can you show the Nintendo Switch? Jeez. And we got some extra controllers, orange and purple. Let us know in the comments. Did you just fart?
No,
Fucking
that
liar.
must have been the rumble strip.
Let us know which one you like the best. You're horrible.
Good morning, everybody. It's a snowy day. This lighting is terrible. Hee hee. Megan is leaping in like usual. She's got this whole week off. We were going to do all this awesome exploring, and then we got snowed in. So today we were just going to share with you guys what it's like to be snowed in with Megan and Matt in our van. I'm going to try this Mr. Buddy heater out because somebody did not install our Espar heater yet.
Matt always gets up before Megan, unless Megan has to get up for work. In that case, Matt decides whenever he wants to get up. Which makes Megan really mad.
My responsibility every morning includes making coffee for the two of us. Alright, can we turn this into couch mode so I can have some room?
This is a normal day in the life. Matt wants to do something, Megan doesn't, and then neither of it gets done.
Coffee in bed for my lady.
Thank you. Nice and hot. Just the way I like it.
It's a big fire in the middle of the van.
Oh my gosh.
Plenty of circulation. Keeping this handy, just in case.
Yeah.
We have a carbon monoxide detector, just in case. Because when you're burning propane in a van, you definitely need some ventilation because carbon monoxide will kill you.
Will kill you.
It's my PSA. We touch tips. My main concern is really just making sure that these pipes don't freeze. We had a little leak yesterday. We also wrapped all of the pipes that we have with some extra clothing, just to give it a little bit of extra insulation. We're really well insulated in here. I just wanted to make sure that we're like tight.
I feel like this window being open is like letting the heat out.
Alright, well if we start getting lightheaded and dizzy.
Wool socks.
What kind of wool socks?
What do you mean, what kind? Wool socks. Wool tan socks?
Cabela's? What are you doing? Stop!
This lighting is amazing on your face. You look radiant.
Thank you.
Alrighty, so we are off to the brewery because that's where we stayed last night. Little fun fact, we were looking for a spot to park, and there was not a good one with cell reception, and we didn't want to get stuck in the middle of nowhere like we were the other few days. We didn't want to get snowed in. So I just called this brewery that we went to the other night and asked if we can crash there, and they said yeah. And there's this little pull-off right next to them, so we're parked there. A short little walk to the brewery. Megan's cold.
It's
I don't
slushy
know.
snow.
I don't know if I lock the van. This is something I do. I just forget. Little fun fact: if you put your key fob to your beard, it amplifies it. Yep, there we go.
So it's snowing. We are snow people. We love snow. I have one glove. We're hitting the brewery, and we're gonna use some Wi-Fi to upload some videos. We're also gonna day drink.
He just talked to me.
Oh,
Did he?
you must be having so much fun.
I know, we're kind of zooming out before going.
Did I leave my glove?
Right before you guys came, I was running and you like jumped and I fully.
How's your beard look?
That was Boomba Way for breakfast. We had it for dinner last night with Sam and Kelly. It's so warming. It's a Vietnamese dish, but I didn't do it right because I couldn't get the right ingredients here. So if you're Vietnamese and you saw that and you're like, that's not Boomba Way, I know. A day in the life, really, we're just doing chores all day long. And then today, actually, we're going to make some content with Sam and Kelly, and then we're going to hit the road to Salt Lake City because it is very cold.
And it's warmer there.
Yeah, Matt got up how many times in the middle of the night?
At least twice.
To turn on some heat. When we get that S-bar heater put in, that'll be clutch.
No more waking up in the middle of the night just to make sure things don't freeze, and then we could go warmer or colder places, baby.
Yes, we
Colder
can.
places. Check out that wind. You hear that?
Woo. We're gonna head out to Salt Lake City. We're gonna say goodbye to these guys. We'll probably see you at the hot springs in
Yes,
Utah.
Yeah.
You won't.
Here's Matt flexing.
I
Dad
like
box.
the map. And then what we were gonna do is we were gonna go down over to probably hit Arches and like Moab,
Hell yeah.
and then go further into Denver. That
Yeah.
was like our potential.
That'll be great.
Like, you guys are from SoCal.
Yeah.
You
Oh,
guys
yeah.
don't hang out in the snow.
No, so for us, like, this is so magical. Like, I don't know if you guys are so stoked on this.
Oh, we
but
are.
For us,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
okay, good. Because, like, we go to Big Bear in California. It's like a snow town, but we go there like once a year. And I would say this is probably the more snow, even in this snowstorm, than they get maybe all year.
Yeah,
Depending on the year.
definitely. We've been in a drought, so the snow has not been as great in our tiny little snow town in California, so this is great.
Yeah, you got all shy. You got all quite shy. This temperature is what we're used to, but as you can see, we're both wearing Vans. And
That's true.
they're so
That's true. And we
And I'm
gave
wearing
her gloves.
gloves. My fingers go about to here.
But you're going to buy some.
Yeah,
right?
we're gonna get some
Yeah.
gloves actually, but they've been teaching us how to dress for the winter, so it's been exciting.
Yeah. At least you had jackets. That's the
Yeah.
important part. Before we leave, we need to use our friends for their ladder because we don't have one, but we need to clean off our solar panels. So Matt's up there cleaning both of our solar panels off because he's a G.
That is neat. My middle name starts with a G.
Kelly.
Oh, and I was like, casual. I'm totally fine, you guys. Don't worry.
We're not built for this.
Nope. I think you guys need a snow scraper though.
Definitely.
For sure. We're like, we have a credit card. Does that count?
It's getting kind of sad to like leave some of your van friends after meeting them. We've only known them like in person for 3 days, but I feel like it's like having a house in college. You get to just like walk across the hall and see like your best friends, and you like the same things. You go to the same college, so like you have so much in common. Mostly
So cool.
drinking, but
We didn't really drink with them. We just hung out with them.
I meant in college.
Oh,
like
yeah.
for us, it's the fact that we live in vans, you know. So
Yeah,
it's
so
so cool. It's like
We had like that instant connection already.
yeah,
And
it's
we
like
have low battery.
living in college again.